Sit, 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 sit. Hello. I'm so... Where's pupo ni Bibi? May pupo dyan, may pupo. Meconium. No, meconium. Ayan, may meconium. Mag-change na tayo na ka. Change. Oh, lagi. Ako, hila ko. Feeding baby. Tapos, snack din ako. Wala pang breakfast. Antay lang ako ng breakfast. Tapos, antay ako kay Steve. Initin niya sana yung yung baka. Nagluto ako, 'di ba? So yan. Kagabi pagkatapos ng panganak ko sa kay baby is ininit ni Steve pinainit ko kay Steve yung baka. So ayan, nakakain ako kagabi. Ngayon gutom na naman ako. Baby. Lingit kayo kag nahunak buyag. Uy. Check.
Do you want to pick a little light like that?
So, ito na second night namin dito sa hospital. Tulog na si baby. Night din, nakapaglakad-lakad na rin ako konti. Tapos, ayun, nagbihis na ako. Naka-belly band. Laki pa talaga ng tiyan ko. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung tiyan ko. Bukas. So, pag nakauwi na kami. At saka mag-storytelling ako sa mga nangyari. My birthing journey. Good morning, my little one. You sleep, 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 sleep. Full of love, full of heart, full of love, full of heart. Feeding time, 8:30. Check. Dinner time. Dito sa hospital, pangalawang araw namin. Look at the dinner. Look at my baby. Iyakin. Iyakin, baby. Kain muna ako, guys.
Yep, sorry.
No, you're right. You just stay there. I'm just going to get my cord sorted. And I'll use you as a bit of a holder.
Just be comfy.
So I'm going to use you as a bit of a holder, just because it can be quite heavy, that one.
Look at you go, eh? Look at all the attention you're getting.
This one will come over in a moment.
Just doing some tests, mate. Just make sure you're all good. Okay?
Look at all the scratch marks and everything.
Hearing test.
I'm fine.
Stretchies, eh?
Sleep, neither one. Oh, sorry, toes.
You're right. All good.
I'm just going to scoop in here and get the back of her neck. I'll just get you to drop your elbow just a little bit.
Yep.
Scooping on that side. It's a little bit chilly, especially when you're in snuggling.
Australia is the best day. You're so lucky, little one.
Yeah, it's very, very...
She looks content here. She's sleeping.
She was barely even phased by me putting that cold on her. We're going to do the same on this shoulder. And that one was a little bit chilly, wasn't it? There we go.
You love the facial expressions.
Love it. I love it.
Yeah, well look, it's everywhere.
Eh?
It's This one we're going to leave to last. This one's going to go up on the forehead. Next, we'll get your headphones on, little lady.
Wow,
Oh
headphone.
no, she's going to look like a DJ. I can assure you.
Bloody hell.
Musician already, eh?
Put it on your resume, sweets. Alright, let's get this little headphone in here, beautiful. Good job, sweetie pie. Oh, it's okay. You're okay.
It's alright.
Alright.
You're my little mate.
Wow.
Promise once it starts, you'll love it. It's just getting everything on that can be a bit of it annoying.
Pretty equipped though.
And,
Try and drop down a bit.
yep, you can go now while she's yawning.
There you go.
Perfect. You're okay. You're
Oh
okay.
wow, look at
You're okay. You're okay, sweetie pie. That one is going to flop a little bit. It just hasn't quite stuck on, but I'll come and hold it in a moment. You're okay, sweets.
Look at you.
Okay. This one's going to come up on the top there.
Yeah. You're right.
Geez, they put it through.
The way of Mum's video.
That's right.
I know, that one's a little bit funny, isn't it? I think that one's going to wobble a bit. Yeah, we might go this way with gravity. Because she is wiggling a little bit. There we go, sweetie pie. Push that down. If this moves, it'll let me know and I can pause the machine. And are you right to hold that one up?
Yeah.
well done,
hold
dear.
it a
You're
bit.
doing well.
Maybe just come in this way. Yep, and let's get it pressed there. Awesome. All right, sweets.
You're doing well, Steve.
Okay, so you should find that she should settle now as that sound comes through.
Big yawn. Hey, big yawn. Big yawn. Have a sleep, mate. Have a sleep.
All right, now I'll get you to stop rocking her now.
Have a little kick.
Perfect.
There you go. Have a little sleep.
So we're getting a black one on her forehead. Just going to pause it quickly. Just rotate it. There we go.
It's all right, mate. Only a few minutes. Just a few minutes, mate.
Okay, sweet. Well done.
Have a
So
little
how
sleep.
come?
Will you? Just have a little sleep, mate. Big yawn. Yeah, that's a good yawn. Wow, you're just a little mini me, aren't you?
I think you should not talk.
That's all right. I'm trying to soothe her.
She's listening to the...
I'm just going to have to pause again. I'm just conscious she's wiggling a little bit.
You're a little pretty thing, aren't you? Yeah, you're hot.
Oh my god, you look the same. Both of you do look the same.
Are you comfy or you're hot?
No, she's cold.
Let's put it there in there.
Yeah, that's why I did not rub her too much. D, you got resemblance, D.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at you, you little beauty girl.